Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Guasha is great at promoting skin health, especially facial treatment, but it is so much more. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of full body guasha and what it can do to enhance your health. The best medicines in our body, let's tap into it. I've only been doing guasha on myself for a few months, but I'm amazed how much relief it has given me. I have worked on improving my dry eye conditions, which is caused by autoimmune disorder, my chronic neck pain, lower back pain, arthritis on my wrists, my knees, twitching under the eyelid, my TMJ. And I cleared the swollen lymph nodes, almost cleared. I am excited to introduce you to this marvelous self-care tool. And I will be releasing videos on each specific concerns with more details, so stay tuned. But what is guasha? Guasha is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that involves scraping the skin with a smooth-edged tool. It is often practiced alongside of acupuncture, moxibustion, cupping, and tui na. Fundamentally, guasha works on the outer layer of the skin to bring about positive changes deeper in the body, helping qi to flow more smoothly, benefiting the immune system, joints, nervous system, internal organs and systems. Guasha moves stagnant blood and lymph from the subcutaneous fascia, allow the body to metabolize, to get rid of cellular wastes. When you do guasha, you may notice little dots rise to the surface of the skin. Gua in Chinese means to scrape or to rub, referring to the action doing guasha. The Chinese character sha is comprised of two parts, the illness and sand. But the sand here is the pathogenic sand. Guasha benefits almost all conditions because blood circulation is the cornerstone of our body repair. And the guasha is one of the most effective ways to bring the blood to the surface. It breaks qi stagnation, promotes blood circulation, which is why guasha has been passed down for thousands of years. Guasha boosts the immune system, reduces fever, relieves cold and flu, reduces pain in the muscles and joints. It moves lymph and fluids through the body, helps break water retention, muscle tightness, or other congestions. Also, it's really helpful for insomnia. The general order of guasha is from top to bottom, from the inside to the outside. One directional. Avoid scraping back and forth. If it's a full body guasha, you will start from the head, the back of the neck, side of the neck, shoulders, upper back, middle and lower back, then the chest, abdomen, finally upper limb and the lower limb. The selection of the tools varies depending on the situation. I will need to put a video together just for this topic alone. For healing the body, treating disease or chronic conditions, use the thinner edge of the tool. Usually the guasha board has a thin edge and a more thick edge, but this one overall is on the thin end, but I like it. You would apply firm pressure, very firm, but moves very slow to raise the sha. So firm pressure and slow movement is the key. This is very different from facial guasha. For health maintenance purpose, a thicker tool, you can compare these two, or more smooth edge tool can be used. You can even do it over clothing. For people with varicose veins or leg edema, the direction is from the bottom and goes up. The color of sha tells you many different things. Usually lighter, more bright red, indicating it is more acute and recent. The level of redness indicating the amount of oxygen in the cells. If the spots are dark red, purple, or even black, that tells you it is something chronic and the stagnation have been there for a long time. Then for a perfectly healthy person or severely ill individual, there's often very little sha or no sha to come out. That is because a healthy person's circulation is already very good. There's little metabolic waste to come out. But for someone who's really ill, their circulation and the ability to respond to treatment is compromised. The more regularly you practice Guasha, the fewer right spots or bruising you will see over time. Once the entire body is no longer produces sha, no matter where you gua, it doesn't cause pain. The meridians will be unblocked. When the stagnation and blockages are cleared, the vital qi will flow smoothly throughout the body. The yin and yang will be balanced. Thus, various illnesses will not arise. And that is our goal. After a Guasha session, it is best to drink a glass of warm water, preferably light salt water. Avoid eating cold or oily food. And also avoid natural wind or a conditioning for a few hours after Guasha. If it is winter, try to keep the body warm. In the ancient time or old days, it is advised that not to take a bath 4 to 6 hours after Guasha. That is because the pores are open. You don't want to trap cold air or cold wind into the body. However, with today's condition, if you take a hot shower right away and dry yourself promptly, blow dry your hair, then you should be okay. That will help the body to metabolize. After you receive a serious Guasha session, which means the whole body Guasha, and you might feel very, very tired. That is because so much waste has been flushed out. The body needs to rejuvenate. So allow yourself to take a long nap to help the body to recover and rebuild itself. 1 or 2 days after the Guasha, the area you have worked on might experience little rash or itchy or pain or crawling sensation, as if ants are crawling underneath your skin, or the sensation of cold or heat. You might see rash-like changes coming out of the surface. That's all normal. The marks from Guasha usually last 2 to 7 days, depending on the person's circulation. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this overview of full body Guasha. Well, it was a lot of information, but I'm excited to share more with you. I will be creating videos to address specific health concerns. Please let me know what topics you like to see get covered. If you like the video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.